Hey everybody, Randy Orton back. Welcome. Today we're going to talk a little bit about iCoinPro and some of the benefits of the iCoinPro micro-profit system. First, I'll tell you a little bit about me. 25-year journeyman electrician. And about 3 months ago, lost my job and decided to focus on my life and relationship coaching full time. So between that, I'm also a financial agent. Means I help people with bad credit and debt, business loans, business credit, personal loans, and such. And I also day trade during the day, in between coaching clients, and when I have time in my spare time. That's what the awesome thing about day trading is. You can do it anytime, and I'm going to show you exactly how that works here shortly. Before we get started, let me go through the trading, just the disclaimer real quick. The iCoinPro Trade Finder and its trainers provide an informational service only and are not responsible for any investments made applying this information. The results described are not typical and are not guarantees of future income. Just saying, everybody's different. Everybody learns at different levels. Everybody trades at different levels. Everybody trades a little bit differently. So what you do and what I do might be totally different, but we're not responsible. All risk is 100% your responsibility. Just like when I trade with my money. I don't trade with your money. I don't trade with my Aunt Karen's money. It's my money. I buy crypto with my money, and then I use it to trade with in an exchange called Binance US. And we're going to get into that a little bit deeper here real quickly. All right, let's get started. Hopefully you're one of my pre-enrollees and you've seen this before, but we're going to go through this super quick. The iCoinPro Trading Bootcamp. This is free, y'all. This is how you get started. Even if you don't know anything about cryptocurrency or whatever I just said made absolutely no sense to you, click my link in the description and become a pre-enrollee, and you can get this Trading Bootcamp absolutely free and learn everything you need to know about becoming a day trader and how to do it successfully too. And actually, once you get through the Trading Bootcamp, if you decide you like this and get into the micro profit system, there's all kinds of tools and training, extra advanced training, and things that are going to help you make successful trades all day long, every day. And if you like it, fire your boss, do this full time, make this your full-time gig, and have fun every day. It's exciting. It's fun. I can't wait to show you how this thing goes. So without any further ado, let's go. The Trading Bootcamp, you're going to go through an introduction with Justin Clark. He's one of the co-founders of iCoinPro, and he's awesome. There's a bunch of short videos, easy to understand. He makes this so simple a 5-year-old could learn how to trade cryptocurrencies. So I'm sure you guys can understand it as well. I didn't mean anything by that. I'm just saying that it's easy to understand, and I hope you enjoy it and find some value in this video and get started trading with me today. All right, you're gonna go through your introduction with Justin, and then he's gonna show you how to set up your trading view and watch list. You're gonna learn what are candles, and I can show you that real quick. These are candles, these little red and green things, which is a candle is what happens with the coin in a specific amount of time. I have this set on 1 hour. So each of these candles is 1 hour. So what, like for instance, we're looking at Bitcoin. It started at about $42,654, $42,000, 654. And it looks like it got clear up to here, and then went back down and finally ended there after an hour. And this would be the following hour, and so on and so forth. And it looks like it's a pretty even trend. Depending on how many hours ago, it had a pretty good jump, it looks like, and then it's been pretty even for the most part of today, looks like. Back to iCoinPro. After that, Justin's going to show you what your first trading tool is. He's going to introduce you to Bollinger Bands, and then he's going to show you how to buy the dip the right way. And that's what we learned right off the get-go, is how to buy the dip and the squeeze. And Justin's really good at making this super easy to understand, so you don't get in trouble, and you can make smart decisions with your money. Compound returns, the eighth wonder of the world. This is how Justin going to show you how to take your profits from buying the dip and roll them back into your trades, and just keep on compounding that money and building it up and up and up and up, and until you're trading with money that's you've already made a profit, and all the rest of your money's in the bank. Maybe you're building a nice little nest egg. Maybe you're retiring. It's hard. There's really no limits to what you can do with this, folks. Once you learn the keys to the insides of trading. And like I said, Justin makes it super easy to understand. Then we're going to go through the next steps, which is getting started with the micro profit system. But before you get started with the micro profit system, you might as well check out this bonus content. It's basically how to set trading view alerts, how to set alerts on trading view to let you know when certain coins are going into a dip and are potential profitable trades. And you can set alerts so you're always on top of good trades. That's not all in the additional free training. Learn how to paper trade. This is a great way to practice. I suggest practicing a lot. Practice as much as you can. It's just going to make it that much easier when you go to trade your real money. And you can play around, get a little bit more risky here to learn the ins and outs. That way you don't have to be all risky with your money. Then he's going to show you how to buy cryptocurrencies, how to send and receive cryptocurrencies. This is important, especially when you really get started, because if you send it to the wrong place, it's hard to get back. It's hard to receive. It's hard to return it, because once it gets to the blockchain, it gets confused, and then it'll take a long time. It could take forever if you ever get it back, if you send it to the wrong wallet. But Justin's going to show you all this in the free boot camp. Use it, take notes. This is so much fun. I will watch these several times so I could get things right, and once you understand it, it's so much fun. Glossary, and here's some safe links that you don't have to worry about. Trading's a lot different. I know if you're on social media, you probably get hit up all the time. I constantly have people on my posts, talk to so-and-so, invest in so-and-so, do this with so-and-so, and they guarantee, super high profits, super high returns, super big return on your investments. And I tell you what, folks, most of that stuff's scams. You're sending your money out, unless you're sending your money to your Uncle Bob, and it's somebody in your family that you know and trust very well. Don't do it. Stay away from them. Don't trust people. I'm sorry. I shouldn't say that as a life and relationship coach, but there's just if you don't know them, don't trust them, and don't send them your money. Please don't do that. I will never ask you for your money. Nobody in iCoinPro will ever ask you for your money. They will show you how you can take your own money and how you use your own money in the crypto exchange and your own account. Nobody will ever ask for your account information either. It's all your personal information. We protect your privacy. We'll never give out your information in any way, shape, or form. So your information's safe with us, safe with me, safe at iCoinPro, and please report somebody immediately if they're asking for your money. Otherwise, let's get started, and I'll show you what you receive on the inside of the micro profit system. So once you went through that awesome boot camp and you signed up to be part of Team Orton, you're going to learn how to use the forum and how to talk to other people in iCoinPro. This is super cool. Then you're going to get down to the core training, and this is really you're going to learn the nuts and bolts behind cryptocurrency trading, and you're going to get some training. Introduction to monetary systems, currencies, and this is the real stuff. You want to pay attention to this. There's some testing over this stuff, just so you know. That way you understand it before you move on to the more advanced training. This is just a basic understanding of cryptocurrencies, and it's good information to know moving forward. So on to the micro profit system part 1, and buy the squeeze, buy the dip. And here's where you get really in depth on how to buy the squeeze, how to buy the dip, and what to look for, trends in the market, and things, hints and signals that you can see to make profitable trades, or at least smart decisions. And don't be greedy. If it doesn't look like a good trade, don't do it. There's plenty. There's all kinds of coins. There's all kinds of ways to do this. Don't think you have to don't make rash decisions. Make smart decisions with your money, and you're going to be super successful at this. Tracking sheet. This is awesome. A way to journey your trades so you can keep track of what coins you traded, whether you made a profit, loss, the day, time, what the market was doing at the time. I mean, basically about anything you think you should track or you want to track. I would track everything you possibly can think of, because if you find certain trends in the market, you can use that to your advantage later. You notice you're always seeing dips, certain time of day, certain day of the week. That's great information. It's going to save you some time later. This is also good profit loss fees calculator, a way to determine before you make a trade, depending on where you sell at, how much of a profit, percent of loss if it happens to turn around on you, and exactly what you can make, what you can lose. This is going to more calculators, basically the same thing, what you could earn if you do take certain actions. A squeeze calculator, how you enter a squeeze and predict what you could possibly earn or lose. And here you go, Trade Finder, one of the exclusive tools inside the micro profit system. This is something you use all the time. This is going to be something you're going to want to use all the time. Like I said, this is something nobody else has. It's a trade finder. It's going to find you potential trades, and it's going to alert you to them. And this is so awesome. I'm not going to get into this today. I have another video in my playlist if you want to check it out, called iCoinPro Trade Finder, our exclusive tools. And it goes through Trade Finder and shows you some of the other exclusive tools inside iCoinPro that are exclusive to iCoinPro. Nobody else has them. It's the only place you're going to find them, and it's really inexpensive to have the trading portal and the tools every month. You can easily make enough trades to pay for your trading portal, or you can become an affiliate and have people on your team and pay for your trading portal that way too. There's all kinds of ways to do this. I'd love to have you on my team as an affiliate, building a huge team of traders underneath you. And we just have a massive army of day traders, and we'll make a killing together. iCoinPro meetups. This is a great way to stay in touch. I like to organize these with my team members. We'll have Zoom. We'll go through the trading portal, go through the tools, and see if we can spot some potential trades and possibly make some trades and make some money together. And stay informed, stay tuned into each other. That a mastermind group of traders is a great thing, because sometimes I might not spot a great trade. Somebody else might, ooh, did you notice this? And maybe I didn't. And we can it's just a good way to help each other out. Trading buddies is the same thing, staying in a chat room with all your friends, and just talking about what you're doing, what your plans are of the day, any coins making a progress, any news, any crypto news that you heard that might be valuable to other people on your team, or upline, or any of your trading buddies. The micro profit system part 2. All right, here's some advanced training. This is a little bit more advanced than the squeeze and the dip trade, but if you use these tools inside the micro profit system, it's just going to make, when you use them all together, it's just going to make that much easier to spot profitable trades. If you have everything going right, it's going to be hard to lose. It is that easy. So we're going to go with RSI rider strategy, relative strength index rider. You're going to learn all about that and how to spot these 5 up, 5 down resistance levels and ladder buying. How to use the oversold index, what the MACD blaster is, watching Bitcoin and Bitcoin pairs. I try to stay with I trade a lot of Bitcoin, but and a Bitcoin or US dollar pairs, and Justin explains a lot of that in the training as well. Laws of MACD strategy by iCoinPro, MA momentum, and 1 minute madness. So, and here's some more calculators you're going to receive inside the system. Just a great localized place for everything. If nothing else, you know, you can get all your trading tools right here. As you can see, I got a trading view up here in my browser, in another another page, and then I also have a Binance US up here in another page, and my iCoinPro trading portal over here, and another page, and just so you know, this is certified that me, Randall Orton, that's me. I have passed the RSI Rider module and I have a strong understanding of the basics of cryptocurrencies. Signed this day. So every time you go through some training in iCoinPro, you get one of these awesome certificates that shows that you understand the information. And by understanding the information, it's just going to make you that more successful. So print these off, keep them, be proud of them, because learning a skill is something you can take with you forever. Nobody can take a skill away from you. Somebody could take your products away. Somebody can take your money away. But if you have a skill, you can get all that back. So that's one of the greatest things about iCoinPro and the micro profit system is they're going to teach you skills. They're going to teach you the skills to succeed, and then they're going to have the support in the background if you have any questions. All you have to do is ask, and they're ready to help you out, and they want you to succeed. They want you to be super successful. We're not showing you. You're not, by you being successful at day trading isn't cutting in on my success at all, which is something which other MLMs or network marketing systems, you're pulling from a customer base of other people's customers potentially. So Joe's friends might be your friends, and you're both competing for the same friends. And if you get this guy that takes money away from Joe, well, this isn't the same. If I teach you this skill, it doesn't take money away from my pocket. It puts money in both of our pockets. That's what's awesome about iCoinPro and learning how to day trade. And it's fun. I can't say that enough either. It's super fun and exciting. Now back to the training. All right, the signals and tools. After you're going to learn how that, and then you're going to learn the chat box. This is kind of just like a little, basically what it says, a chat box. And you can ask questions, everything Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, definitive source. So if you have any questions about anything at all, you go to the chat box and ask your questions, and you get answer. But like I said, you must pass the chat box test below. So you got to go through the information, learn the rules of the chat box, pay attention, and then this is another great tool to have in your arsenal as part of the micro profit system. Ooh, trading portal. Like I said, I already have it open up there. I'm not quite sure why it says that. I do have a monthly subscription to the trading portal. Anyway, onward and upward. See, trading portal. Looks like I'm watching Dodge USDT, and I got another one up here, Bitcoin. I've been watching it too. So you can go back and forth. Looks like we have some dips going on in Bitcoin. Dodge, the same. Looks like we got some dips, but looks like we got a downward trend. Looks like our MACD line could be getting ready to cross down here, possibly, but we're still at the bottom of our RSI, which is good. So this looks like Dodge could be getting ready to make a blow up here somewhere. Looks like it's once it crosses this MACD line down here. Looks like it's maybe making an upward trend right there. So, and looks like we got 3 dips, maybe even 4 here. So yeah, this could be a good time to buy into Dogecoin. It's definitely going to be a good one to watch here coming up real soon. So looks like this says look like could be making an upward trend. Yeah, this is going to be one to watch. Back to the training. Here's a bunch of articles and videos, extra stuff that you could advanced chart setup. Just a whole bunch more great information that's just going to make you that much better of a trader. Pay attention. You know, all these people have been doing this, and they know what they're doing. And they're smart people, and they've made a lot of money day trading, and they'd like to see you be successful too. These are people just want to help you out, and this is all part of the micro profit system, and one of the many great benefits as being a member in the micro profit system. So, and there's still more additional training. So, just so you know, security, altcoins, the alternative coins overview, different exchanges, security, how to protect your investments, privacy coins, making money, staking cryptocurrencies. Dive into DeFi, NFTs, and the metaverse. Everybody's heard about NFTs in the past few years. Have really made a huge jump. And the metaverse, virtual reality is a big thing these days. In the metaverse, people actually selling real estate in a virtual world. So I don't really understand how that works. I'm not sure. I'm not going to suggest that buying real estate in a virtual world because there's no power. There's really no virtual world. So, yeah, I'm not quite sure how that all plays out. But anyway, CoinWatch, Bitcoin, Stellar Lumens, basic attention tokens, Bitcoin Cash EBC versus Bitcoin Cash SV. More training. These are live trainings. This is an archive of live trainings of the past, so you can go back and watch training after. There's so much training. If you're not successful at day trading after studying all this training, I guess it's probably not for you. But it's so easy to understand. If you don't understand it, or if you need help, reach out to me anytime. Comment. I pay attention to the comments in the videos. I'm sure if you find my website, you can find my phone number and get in touch with me multiple ways. iCoinPro training certificate. You're going to receive certifications after all this. These are my certifications I've received so far. Core training certification, buy the dip strategy certification, and you see the RSI rider strategy that I showed you earlier, the certification. So that is all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value out of it, and I hope maybe you thought about or maybe thinking about becoming a day trader. I said it's super fun. It's really exciting. I'd love to have you on my team. So if nothing else, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. And if you want to get started, hit my link in the description and become a pre-enrollee and get started in the Trading Bootcamp. And I will get back in touch with you once I see you inside. So have a great day and happy trading.